Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This vlog is actually very special because I am here in Udaipur for a solo trip, and I've been planning this for so long. Like, it's been on my vision board for the longest time, and it finally feels like a dream come true. I'm finally here. I'm just walking towards my hostel right now, and stay tuned because I am planning to launch one vlog uh, for every day that I'm here. I'm here for almost 5 days, and join me and let's start this vlog. Udaipur has been on my vision board for the longest time, so reaching here just made me feel like a dream come true. And I picked a very nice spot, a hostel called Moustache Hostel. Everything was walking distance, and the view was amazing. So I'm staying in this really beautiful hostel called Moustache Hostel. Currently, I'm at the topmost floor, the rooftop. I think there's one more roof above this. I'll take you guys with me in a bit. It's almost 11 a.m., but my check-in is not before 1 p.m. So I have 2 hours to spend, and I thought I'll just take a tour of the hostel and then maybe go somewhere to eat before I finally check in. The hostel has a very nice vibe. Every wall has like a wall art in it, which is very traditional. It has a common room, and this space that you see is the space to sit on. I decided to walk out and grab some breakfast before I could check in, and the best part was everything was walking distance. I went to this cafe called Jheel's Ginger Cafe, and the view from the cafe is right what you're seeing right now. This is Gangaur Ghat, and it felt so peaceful and so nice while I was eating my spaghetti and sipping on some cold coffee. I couldn't wait to start my journey in Udaipur. After eating, I still had some time before I could check in, and that's when I decided to walk towards Gangaur Ghat. I spotted Bagore Ki Haveli right next to it, and I realized that everywhere that I want to go is so nearby. This is inside Gangaur Ghat. You see that man, he was sitting on the heat and playing from morning to evening. It felt so weird looking at him, but everything was so beautiful. The people were nice, the view was amazing. It was too hot, but everything else made up for the heat. I then decided to just stroll through the street and observe the street shops, but I realized that Hathipol market is a cheaper market than this one. But nonetheless, everything was really amazing and had a lot of value for money. I did pick up a couple of jewelry before I even checked in. This particular lane had not just jewelry shops but also shops with a lot of painting and art and a lot of cafes to eat as well. So I just checked into my room and they upgraded me. They decided to give me like a better room, and I'm really happy with what I've gotten. Let me just give you a quick tour. So this is the room that I got to stay in for 5 days. It was a really beautiful room, perfect for two people. It had these huge windows, so whenever I wasn't enjoying the sunset outside, I could enjoy it from my bedroom itself. And I also filmed a lot of get ready with me content in this room. It'll be coming up soon. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I decided to rest for a bit and then get ready to finally step out. It's around 4:30 p.m. I got all dressed up. I wanted to take a nap, but then I was like, I'm here, so I shouldn't waste any time. I should start exploring already. But it's too hot outside, so maybe I'll wait for a bit and then step out. The plan right now is to just explore some street markets, and 7 p.m. I have the Dharohar cultural folk dance show to attend at Bagore Ki Haveli. I booked the tickets online beforehand. You can also book it at the spot. It costed me around 150 to 170 bucks, but it got sold out really quickly, so I just booked it online. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll take you along. I finally stepped out again and decided to walk on the same lane, and I reached Gangaur Ghat once again. Decided to go inside. There were people feeding pigeons as well, but you're not allowed to scare them and make them fly. You'll be fined for it. And I just saw this amazing view. I saw a dog taking a bath in the water. It must be really hot for these creatures, so they were just chilling in the water. Before my Dharohar cultural show started, I had a lot of time to pass, so I thought of going into the Bagore Ki Haveli museum and checking out the museum. These are a few clips from inside the museum. This was one room where they had all puppets, different kind of puppets just displayed. It was a simple museum, not much to see, but a beautiful one. Actually, every spot in Udaipur seemed really beautiful to me. I'm just trying to spend some time before the Dharohar folk dance show starts. So I thought of just checking out the museum. This was another room in the museum, and this was a room where different types of pagri or safa was displayed from different regions. This room showcased the journey of a man and woman getting married. This was the arti by the sasuma when the groom enters the wedding. And guess who is back to Gangaur Ghat once again? Folk dance is about to start at 6:30, so all of us that you see people behind me are waiting just to enter and experience the folk dance. I got the front seat and I'll just play some glimpses from the dance. Enjoy.
आप सबको
The show was absolutely mesmerizing. I would definitely recommend everyone coming to Udaipur to not miss the Dharohar cultural dance show at Bagore Ki Haveli. It was then time to do some mini shopping and then go for dinner to Millets of Mewar. I've heard a lot about this place and it's a very healthy place if you want some healthy food option. I had a very small meal. I had the wrap, the garden fresh wrap for dinner, and after dinner I decided to call it a day and head back to my hostel. I just got back home. I'm changing and just getting ready for the night. I think I had a very amazing day. The highlight of the day has to be the cultural dance show at Bagore Ki Haveli. It was so mesmerizing, and the best part was I got to sit right in front, so the experience was almost like amazing. Like, it blew my mind, and if you're in Udaipur, you should not miss this at all. So I'm going to end my vlog here. Please stay tuned for day 2 and part 2. I have a lot of things planned for tomorrow, and I hope I don't get tired easily because my head is really aching right now. So anyway, stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye bye.